The dark web. Internet traffic consists of the surface web, which is 10%, and that is websites that you do not need a password for, they're just general searches. The deep web is 90%, and those are things that you need to sign into with a password, like a Gmail or a Twitter or a Snapchat. And then the dark web is less than 0.01%, and that is hard to access, and it is very important for law enforcement to keep an eye on. This quote I found interesting, and it says, "You can buy anything if you find the right website on the dark net. From tigers to hand grenades to controlled substances, it's all there." Where it all began. In 2003, the US Naval Research Lab developed Tor, called the Onion Router, because of the layers of the encryption that goes into it. And also, when you click on it, an onion icon appears when you're searching the web using Tor. Which I found interesting. And it is designed to protect military operation communications originally. What it does is random computers called relays adds a layer of encryption to the signal that only it can decrypt. And only about 1.5% Tor users are using it to get to the dark web. A lot of them are actually using it to notify governments, other governments, if their government is treating them not the way they should be, and things of that nature. It's also very used with law enforcement and the FBI. The pros and cons of regulating Tor are: the pros is that it removes criminal and terrorist anonymity, and the cons are that it's actually useful for law enforcement and military, and it provides a mechanism to monitor terrorist talks and groups. And like I was mentioning before, it assists in dissidents and journalists writing about repression and helping other people who can't go on a normal website because their government will see that, and so they use things like Tor. The concerns are that terrorism and WMD access is very concerning because it includes the nuclear, biological, chemical, and radiological weapons, and but also the most popular darknet is called Alpha Bay, and they sell biological weapons and things of that nature, or biological toxins. Propaganda is used by terrorists on the surface web because they want to get their names out there, they want to get their message out there, and communications is used in the deep web, and operations is in the dark because they do not want to be traced, or they do not want people seeing what they're doing. The solutions are hacking criminal sites, like the FBI hacked Playpen, a child pornography site, and it produced 1,500 arrests, and use of cataloging software, changing rules to permit wider use of search warrants, narrowly focused investigations, and leaving dark web functioning makes it easier for law enforcement to find the bad guys, such as through use of informants, because if it is not functioning, the dark web, then it's better to know what's going on than what's not going on. And the fact that our law enforcement can see what's going on with the dark, using the dark web, is important. The main users of the dark web are child pornographers, which is about 80%. Tor traffic child abuse sites have at least 31,266 sites. That's the ones that they found. There's probably more. Drug dealers use it. It's a marketplace for other illegal items of sales, like the tigers I was talking about before. It's also a terrorist exchange of surface and deep web, used for mainstream propaganda, and the dark web used when discussions get serious, like I was also mentioning before. Miscellaneous, there are 45,000 dark web websites, hundreds of millions of regular sites, and Tor is the only way to access the dark web. The deep web can be accessed through surface web application, and not so with the dark web. The Silk Road was shut down by the FBI in 2013. It was a major dark web marketplace. Two main services are Bitcoin, which is the currency, and the Hidden Wiki, which is the info. Conclusion is that the FBI needs stronger legal framework for investigations, and that they need to seek balance between anonymity and illegal activity. Thank you very much.